Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach, and we're here in Nashville at the Prevost dealership. We're picking our coach back up after a little service, and from here we'll be heading back up to Michigan.
Yeah, super excited to start the season up at Hearthside Grove in Petoskey. Anxious to see all of our friends and get back up there and get going. So we actually have a great event happening July 17. If you're in the area, or I don't know, I know it's hard to get reservations up there, but there's any way you can make it up there July 17. We've got a great band coming, I think, from Detroit, and we'll have a tent set up right by all of our coaches. So feel
There'll
free
be
to come.
food,
Yeah, food and music.
entertainment.
Yeah, and a lot of fun.
So.
So we hope to have some great coaches up there. Right now, we can't tell you which ones. Inventory's a little, you know, a little tight
there's
right
a
now.
lot of moving parts.
Yeah, a lot
there.
of moving parts until July. So,
yeah.
Don't know what coach will have, but we're getting in Coach 1265 right now, which is a 2018 quad slide, which is still for sale. Great coach. This is a coach that we just got into, and we're driving up to Michigan. So.
Yeah, we're going to do a little filming here as we hook up and take off, and we hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah.
There he goes. Get ready to hook up our tow vehicle, and then we'll head north up to Michigan. It's about a 8.5 hour drive. It's always a good day for a road trip. Double check our tow here. Making sure the steering wheel's loose. So you can see we tow a Chevy Tahoe. That works pretty well for us. Everything looking good? Alright. If you have any questions on this coach, again, like Randy said, it's a Coach 1265. It's a quad slide. Just reach out. We'd be happy to answer any questions. We are, of course, at the coach driving back up to Michigan, and we just went through Louisville, Kentucky. Now, how do you say Louisville? I've heard it said Louisville, Louisville. Say it like you have a mouthful of marbles. Wow. How is that pronounced? We even get Oregon pronounced wrong. Sometimes, being from Michigan, we'll say Oregon, and people at the mothership will correct us and say, it's not Oregon, it's Oregon. But it's spelled with an O. I don't know. Well, we've made it back up to Michigan, and we hope you liked our little road trip video. From here, we're going to head on up to Petoskey. We're going to go to Hearthside Grove among a few other parks as well. So keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach, and stay safe out there with your travels. One of these days, I really feel like he's just going to take off without me.